Hello there, welcome back to Braze TV. I'm PJ Bruno from the customer education team here at Braze, and I'm back again with the personalization track. Today, as you can see, we're going to be talking about language-based personalization, which you can utilize to make sure that you're talking to your customers in their native language. Let's jump in. So here's an example of really lackluster attempt to talk to people in their language. We see Calorie Rocket is the app. Sandwich Emperor, one of my favorite foods, obviously. They're the ones who have the 20% off that they're trying to reach out to me so I can buy a burger. And then hopefully I speak English. So clearly they're just going after this one group that speaks English. And, if they have customers that speak other languages, this might not be ideal to see. And so now we see this one that is in Spanish. I'm not going to read it in Spanish because I won't butcher this beautiful language, but basically what you're seeing here is that, ask for Sandwich Emperor for only $9.90. You can get a combo, bacon double cheeseburger, French fries, and a soda. If I'm a Spanish-speaking person and I see that they're speaking my language, I'm much more encouraged to reach out and take advantage of this. So let's see actually how it looks to create something like this in the Braze platform. So there you go. You have, and this is basically an example of conditional logic. So what's happening at the top here, if you look at this teal box in the top left corner, it's saying if the customer's language is Spanish, send this message. And then after that, that little bit of liquid that says else, basically what it's saying, it's a catch-all for anyone whose language is not Spanish, send them this more generic message, which is in English. And then, of course, you need your end if at the end. If you don't know conditional logic, I encourage you to look more into that. Take some of our liquid courses and get yourself up leveled. So let's actually, I can show you how this is done in the platform as well. So let's jump in. Okay, here we are. And the cool thing about this is there's actually an Add Languages button that's here native that can help you create the liquid really quickly. So if I click that, I'm able to select my languages right off the bat. So let's say German, let's say I have some French customers. And basically you can see the liquid starting to appear at the bottom here. So I can copy paste that, or I can pick where I want the liquid to go, as there's many fields that you can inject liquid into. So I'll select the message body, add text to fields, and there we go. So maybe I want to say bonjour to my French customers, hallo to my German customers, and maybe just generic old English for just a catch-all for anyone who doesn't have a language set up as French or German will receive the English. So as you can see, that's a quick thing I did in just under a minute. So, if you're not utilizing that, I strongly encourage you to. Thanks again for stopping by. See you again soon.